Number 15. The 1973 Buick LeSabre, priced at $4,500. Located in Fairmont, West Virginia, this classic, with only 17,900 original miles, features its original paint and runs and drives well. Recent upgrades include a fully redone fuel system, new brakes, shocks, tires, and an HEI distributor with new wires and plugs. Needs minor fixes like a radio, repair for a rear-end leak, and addressing small rust spots. A great opportunity to own a vintage car with low miles. Click the link in the video description for more details or to make an offer. Number 14. The 1954 Ford Customline, priced at $5,000. Located in Wallins Creek, Kentucky, this classic features a straight 6 engine and a 6-volt electrical system. With 100,000 miles, it's a great car for its age. It needs a fuel pump but will run and drive. With a little TLC, it could make a fantastic daily driver. Comes with a clear title in the seller's name and is open to reasonable offers. Number 13. The 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, priced at $5,500. Located in Canton, Georgia, this one-owner Georgia car features the Olds Rocket 350 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and a turbo 350 transmission. While the engine will run, the drivetrain needs a refresh and the body requires some TLC. Includes extensive documentation, such as the build sheet, window sticker, and original sales invoices. Comes with the original spare tire, bumper jack, and a tub of new bolt-on parts for brakes and shocks. Number 12. The 1970 Ford Falcon, priced at $6,000. Located in Mount Clare, West Virginia, this classic features a 250 cubic inch inline 6 engine and an automatic transmission, with 62,000 original miles. It runs and drives great, with no rust and excellent floor pans and trunk. Repainted 4 years ago, it's ready for cruising or car shows. The front seat bottom needs recovering and a headliner seam needs stitching, but otherwise, it's in great shape. Cash only, no trades. Number 11. The 1976 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $6,000. Located in Celina, Ohio, this Camaro features a 350 engine with a 4-speed transmission. It's a solid car that runs, drives, and stops, but has been sitting for a while and could use a tune-up. The dark purple paint gives it a unique look, and while it's not a show car, it wouldn't take much to make it a reliable driver. No trades. Number 10. The 1963 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $8,000. Located in Chinquapin, North Carolina, this classic features an inline 6-cylinder engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With 100,000 miles, it runs and drives well, making it a reliable option for vintage car enthusiasts. Number 9. The 1964 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $8,500. Located in Caldwell, Idaho, this 2-door classic features a 289 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. It runs well but needs a new Hurst shifter. Also included is a new crate motor 302. The seller is open to trades but only for classic Chevrolet cars or trucks. Number 8. The 1969 Dodge Dart Swinger priced at $8,500. Located in New London, Ohio. This classic features the reliable 225 slant 6 engine and a 904 automatic transmission with strong power shifts. It runs and drives smoothly with good tires and brakes. The seats are in great shape and the dash is complete except for the radio. Comes with some extra parts and a clear Ohio title. Number 7. The 1959 Ford Custom 300 priced at $8,500. Located in Paden City, West Virginia. This classic has 29,000 miles and is in very good original condition. It features power steering, power brakes, and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. With minimal surface rust in a few spots, it runs and drives well, ready to be driven away. Number 6. The 1966 Dodge Dart, priced at $9,500. Located in South Plainfield, New Jersey, this station wagon has 59,000 documented miles and features a slant 6 motor. It includes a power brakes conversion, power steering, new tires, a new gearbox, a refreshed front end, and new brake hardware. The front and rear seats have been redone. It runs and drives well, making it a great option for classic car enthusiasts. Number 5. The 1966 Buick Special Deluxe, priced at $9,500. Located in Glenfield, New York. This classic features a 300 V8 engine with a 2-speed transmission and power steering. The car has been lowered with 2-inch BMR springs and comes with stock springs as well. It has new 18-inch American racing wheels and tires, plus a set of 14-inch torque thrust wheels to be installed. The interior is in good shape except for the headliner, and the frame and floors are solid, open to trades of equal value. Number 4. The 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS, priced at $15,000. Located in Norfolk, Virginia. This all-original Impala SS features a 230 V6 engine and a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission. It has been driven around 86,000 miles and is in great condition with no rust. Everything works like it did from the factory. The owner has too many cars, so this one must go. No trades. Number 3. The 1967 Ford Mustang, priced at $18,000. Located in Jessup, Maryland. This 1967 Mustang Coupe has a 302 engine with a C4 automatic transmission. It runs and drives great, featuring front disc brakes and power steering. The car has zero rust and a clean title. With only 34,000 miles, it's in excellent condition. The owner is open to trades. Number 2. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $19,000. Located in Denton, Maryland. This classic features a 350 motor and automatic transmission with 93,000 miles. The car has been sitting for a couple of years and is not currently running, but remains a solid car overall. It comes with a clean title in hand, making it a great project for restoration enthusiasts. Number 1. The 1968 Ford Galaxie 500 Fastback, priced at $20,000. Located in Galatia, Illinois, this classic features a 390 V8 engine with an automatic C6 transmission and has 65,000 miles. It's a true survivor in all original condition, running and driving great. This car offers a fantastic opportunity for collectors or anyone looking to own a well-preserved piece of automotive history.